Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Welcome. So in today's video, it's just a quick one. I am in the process of making a t-shirt, right? And I accidentally did like an overlapping of my vinyl with the transfer sheet, right? So what I'm going to do is to show you how I corrected this by removing the vinyl from the shirt, even though it was already heat pressed onto it. All right, so what you will need is a Cricut. Well, you could use any small handle heat press machine to achieve this. So I did use the 15 by 15 heat press machine to put this on the shirt, but in order to remove it, I'm going to show you the steps that I use to do that. Okay, so I need to so if you want to take a closer look at what's going on here, so that's what happened, and I'm trying to remove it. It was already too far in the process for me to take it off, so this is what I'll have to do to remove it. So my machine is fully heated and ready to work with. I am going to put this on the inside of the shirt, and I'm going to allow that to heat up, and I'm going to be using this tweezer machine here to lift it off. So you see it's coming right off, and I'm just going to reprint that eye and put it back on the shirt with this small heat press machine. All right, so there you have it, quick and easy. I wouldn't be able to achieve this unless I had something this small to work with. It would be a little bit more difficult for me to try and do it using the larger heat press machine, so this one was perfect. All right, so I'll come back and show you the final product when I reprint. All right, okay, so a few moments later, we have the letter I back in place, and I am removing the transfer sheet from it. There we go, all fixed, and the letter I is in the right place, and it looks like I just did it with no errors. So let me know if you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and please remember to leave me a like and a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.